dinner. No, 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 no. So Halloween. Now that's the time of class. So hello, I'm old Jack. I live in the north of England. My hobby is collecting ghost stories. I travel around and listen to people's stranger and scary stories. Some of my best stories come from people when I meet in parks. But for Halloween, I'd like to tell you something a bit special. It's not a story from a famous castle or hotel. It's a story from my own family, from Jack Owen. So, Jack is from Northwest England, but he has a own who live in Scotland. Her name is Edna. She lives near Holy Corner in Edinburgh an, in an old stone house. So it's a nice house, but in one October, many years ago, a stranger thing happened. It was late October around Halloween, and the guest heater in our Edna's living room broke. The weather gets very cold in Scotland in November and December. So, of course, our Edna wants to get the heater fixed. But this gas heater was in the fireplace in the living room. A long time ago, the people who lived in the house used to burn coal and wood in the fireplace to keep warm. But when my aunt Edna built the house, there was a gas heater in the fireplace. So she was glad, and it was much cleaner and more confident than coal or wood. So of course, the creamy was still there, but no smoke had traveled up the chimney for many years. A repairman came to look at the heater. It's not good, said the man. The heater's so old. You will have to buy a new heater. Okay, said Edna. But I need it very soon. It's getting cold. I'll take the old heater out and bring your nice new one tomorrow, said the repairman. The man took the old heater away. It was the 21st of October. It was the night of Halloween. That night, old Edna couldn't sleep. She woke up in the middle of the night, and she was feel very cold. I must go downstairs and make myself a hot drink, she thought. When she goes downstairs, she got a shock. Because the living room is very, very cold. It was colder than her bedroom. It was colder than any other room in the house. What's that? She thought. On Edna could hear strange noise coming from the empty fireplace. It was like something was scratching in the inside and the chimney. On Edna ran to the kitchen and got a bedroom. A cat or bird has come down the tank. I'll have to get it out, she thought. When she went back into the living room, she stopped at the door. She could not move. It was like a large, very cold and very powerful hand was stopping her. It wouldn't let her go into the living room. She stopped at the door and looked around the living room. There was no one in there. She could still heard the stranger noise in the chimney. The noise were getting louder. She put the broom back in the kitchen. Then she hurried into the living room, and in this time, nothing stopped her. She hurried back upstairs to the bedroom, and Aunt Edna didn't believe in ghosts, but she thought the experience in the living room was very strange. So, in the next morning, she woke up and got the dress and one doorstep for breakfast. She walked into the living room and
yang ada yang ceweknya
what's that? She said.
si
Because
manusianya kan
there was a large
terus
of
yang ada ceweknya itu
old
keluarga vampir.
fashioned doll lying in the fireplace. She walked over to the doll and picked it up. It was a very old doll, maybe 100 years old. She looked at the
Oh ya?
knife. She couldn't see anything. And then that's a strange doll.
Diambil.
Put the doll on the chair
Kan pindah
and
ke
made
kan,
breakfast.
pindah ke kota.
Later the morning,
Terus sudah
the
pindah
rabbit
lama.
come back
Terus
and
tiba-tiba
saw the new header in the fireplace.
tetangganya
Odena is very old now. She still doesn't believe in ghosts, but she still has the doll.
semuanya jadi manusia.
She kept in the dark cupboard in the living room, and she said that if you take the doll out of the living room, the room was very cold. So even in the summer. Okay, so I think enough for today's story. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Kalau aku